So has this happened to you guys? I mean, am I the only one? I feel like some days I have a black thumb, but I still have tried because growing food has been really important to me. Let me know in the comments if you've ever murdered your seedlings with love. I mean, I've tried it both ways. And then I feel terrible. Do I revive them? What do I do? I realized that I needed a system that works with my brain, not against it. That's where the Kratky method, and Kratky, Dr. Kratky spelled Kratky, Dr. Kratky. That's where it comes in. It sounds technical, but it's literally just growing plants in water without pumps or electricity. So basically, he designed a system that could be totally off grid. I'm so excited, you guys. It's a set it and forget it.